What up, guys? We out here, the S&M Fit Fam. We got another bike build here. What do we got in the house, Ham?
ATF.
The S&M ATF.
10-year anniversary.
10-year anniversary. This is a 20-inch we got here. Jay stepping up to a 20-inch from a 19. Don't forget to lube it up, guys. We have big problems in China. Damn, look at that color. We got trans gold and trans red, baby. Red and yellow. It's like the S&M colors. Got this cool painting in the house. BMX life. There's the owner of the bike right here.
Bobby Jesus.
Bobby Jesus in the house. We got the pitchforks. Ooh, look at that. For those of you wondering what ATF stands for, it's all-terrain frame. It's good for everything. Park, dirt, mud, jumping, anything. He's pedaling around. Sexy. Made in America. Woo! That's sexy. We got the Louis V saddle.
It was like forever the light is almost.
What's up, Grumpy? We got Grumpy in the house. Looks like
Jay, sit down real quick.
How's it feel?
Put them up a little. Right there. Does that feel good?
Yeah. It's a good way to measure where the bars go.
Yeah.
That's cool. Tough.
Tough. Ooh, you got him in there perfect. You got it?
Fit bike co-pedals. Cranks.
That's the
Fit and S&M. Everything is black pitchforks. And this S&M stem is the S&M freestyling stem. And then we got the S&M Drainman Sprocket 28 tooth.
Dang. 20-inch bike. Everybody who loves this bike, hit the like button and comment love this bike. We're having minor difficulties.
son of a gun.
We're having minor
Are you
difficulties.
serious? Yeah.
Ham's always fighting with the bikes.
Fight with everything.
Oh yeah, he fights with everything. Oh. Whoa. Wouldn't it be funny if he would have banged my GoPro out of my face?
That would have been so hilarious.
And then break the lens.
Yeah.
Lubrication. You get the lubrication?
You better lube it because the last time they got stuck. Oh no, this got stuck.
The pedals.
Not on this one, but her last ones. Damn, that looks nice.
But wait till you guys see the rims.
If you guys can't wait to see the rims, stay tuned and keep watching this video. And you guys are gonna see these rims, and they're one of a kind.
Yes. She got them definitions.
Yay! Here we go, guys. For all of you that waited long enough to see these beautiful wheels, it was well worth it. Check
Well
it
worth the wait.
out. Custom made by Gabe Weed at Cheap Goods BMX. Yes. Red and gold, baby. Red profile hubs. They're the profile minis.
Red and gold.
Ooh,
Left hand drive.
that is sexy.
Time to put in that fuel chop.
Red profile minis.
Oh. here
Red
comes
spokes.
the- Look at the front one.
Gold spokes.
Gold front hood.
With the gold profile mini hub, baby. But check this out, guys. That's red on this side. And then if you go to the side, it's gold. And then if you go on this side, it's red on this side.
But gold on this side.
Ooh, crisscross colors with the gold profile mini.
Crisscross applesauce.
Crisscross applesauce. Whoa, that's a beautiful bike. S&M done killed the game again. It's a different type of red. It's like a more bright red. But hey, we gotta try different things, right?
Ooh, that is a bright red.
It's nice.
It did not look like that red in the package. No.
Wow, check it out, guys.
Make
This is
sure it
an
goes on the right way.
amazing red and gold colorway S&M beautiful ATF bike. With the red bright chain that looks pretty sick. Fit bike Geico hoops also, just in case y'all were wondering. Get it. I bet he can wait.
Know that we're building a BMX bike.
BMX bike?
Yes, that's what.
What brand is it?
Huh?
What brand is
Don't
it?
ask me. I don't know. S&M.
S&M?
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah.
But I had to think about it. But I think I did right. It is an S&M.
Yeah?
Yes.
You like the colors?
Yeah, I love the colors.
You love them?
Yes, I love
Would you
them.
ride a bike like that?
Yes, I ride them. And
Do you have a bike?
Well, yeah, but mine is kind of ugly.
It is?
Yeah, it is.
You don't have an S&M?
No, I don't.
You don't?
No, but I think I got one in there somewhere.
Yeah? The
Yeah,
24 inch?
Yeah, 24 inch. You're
Yeah?
right. Yeah.
That's the one you ride here when you're in Cali?
Yes.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from close to Amarillo, Texas.
Amarillo, Texas?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool. You visiting over here?
Yeah, I'm just glad to be here watching y'all building the stinking bike here.
Thank you for being here.
You bet.
Is it a little bit?
Damn, this is a freaking one of a kind sprocket, guys. They don't make them anymore.
This bike's a girl.
That's it. And there you have it, guys. Another build by the S&M Fit Fam.
Can I say something?
The ATF 20 inch.
10-year anniversary color.
10-year anniversary colorway. Red and gold. Profile hubs. And S&M and Fit by Cole parts. It's beautiful.
Thank you guys for this.
Thanks to Ham for
Bike.
building the bikes all the time. Even though he's a grumpy old fart.